Hey students, are you ready to crack marketing and sales in minutes? आज हम क्लास 9th के मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स चैप्टर के सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे. Our first question is, which of the following best defines marketing? Option A, it begins after the product is produced. Option B, it refers only to selling activities. Option C, it is a process of identifying, anticipating and satisfying customers' need profitably. Or option D, it is limited to advertising and promotion. So the correct answer is option number C. Marketing is a comprehensive process covering product planning, pricing, promotion, distribution, and customer satisfaction. It is just not confined with selling. Question number 2 is, the primary focus of sales is, options are A, long-term customer satisfaction, B, product development and marketing research, C, converting products into cash by persuading customers to buy, or option D, building brand image and loyalty. The correct answer is option number C. Sales is product driven and emphasizes immediate transaction, selling what is produced, unlike marketing, which is customers driven. Question number 3. Which of the following statements correctly differentiates sales from marketing? Options are A, sale emphasizes on customer's need, while marketing emphasizes on the product. Option B, sale is short-term focused while marketing is long-term focused. Option C, sales begins before production while marketing begins after production. Option D, sale involves planning, designing and branding while marketing involves persuasion. So the correct answer will be option number B. Sales is short-term focus on selling products quickly while marketing long-term aims at customer satisfaction, brand loyalty and sustainable demand. Our next question, that is question number 4, is based on assertion and reason. Assertion is, marketing is a broader in scope than sales, and reason is, marketing includes product design, pricing, promotion and distribution, while sales is limited to persuasion and transactions. Options are A is true, R is true and R explains A. B is, A is true, R is true but R does not explains A. Option number C, A is true, R is false. Or option number D, A is false, R is true. So the correct answer is option number A. Marketing is an umbrella term. Sales is just one component of marketing. So the correct answer for question number 4 is option number A. Question number 5 is, which of the following is not an objective of marketing? Options are A, creating and retaining customers, B, profit maximization only, C, customer satisfaction, or D, market expansion and brand building. The correct answer will be option number B. Marketing is not limited to profit. It focuses on long-term customer satisfaction and value creation. So the correct answer will be option number B. Question number 6. The main objective of sales is A, generating goodwill in the market, B, immediate revenue through product transaction, C, conducting market surveys and research, and D, enhancing brand loyalty. So the correct answer will be option number B. Sales is primarily focused on immediate result and converting products into revenue. Question number 8. A company first studies consumer demand, then design a product, set a competitive price, promotes it and distributes it through retail channel. This activity is an example of, options are A, selling concept, B, marketing concept, C, production concept, or D, sales promotion. The correct answer is option number B. This reflects the marketing concept, which is customer oriented and starts before production. Question number 9 is, a company manufactures air conditioners but produces them without conducting any market research. Later, salesmen are employed to push the product aggressively to the customer. This represents, options are A. Marketing approach, B. Societal marketing approach, C. Sales approach, or D. Product development. The correct answer will be option number C, that is sales approach. This is a sales concept. Produce first, then sell aggressively. And the last question of today's video is based on assertion and reason. Assertion is, sales is considered short-term oriented, while marketing is a long-term oriented. Reason, sale ends when the product is sold, but marketing continues even after the sale is maintained, customer satisfaction and loyalty. Options are A is true, R is true, R explains A is true, R is true, but R does not explain A. Option C, A is true, R is false, or option D, A is false, R is true. The correct answer will be option number A. Marketing does not stop at selling. It ensures after sales services, feedbacks, loyalty, and repeat purchases. So the correct answer will be option number A for question 10.